In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily connect Claude to your Roblox Studio app. So first things first, make sure you've obviously downloaded Claude and the Roblox Studio app to your PC. Those are very easy. Just Google and download those exe files and get both apps running on your PC. Once you've done so and you're logged into both, you're going to start over on your Roblox Studio app. Once we're here creating a new experience, you're going to see an icon in the upper right-hand corner. Looks like a little atom. If we click on it there, it will bring up our AI assistant. Underneath our AI assistant, you may need to expand this to make it more visible. You want to go and click on these three dots right here, and then you want to click on this option that says Manage MCP Servers. Once you are here, you then want to go right here where it says Setup Instructions and click the arrow there to expand it. And then right here where it says JSON Configuration, you want to just click the copy button right here next to it. So copy that. It'll show the word copied and you are good to go. Now hop on over to Claude as I've done here and I'll expand it. And then in the upper left-hand corner, click the three horizontal lines, go to File, and then go into Settings. Once you're under Settings on the sidebar, you want to click into the Developer options here at the bottom. Then you want to click on the option that says Edit Config right here, and that will bring up some folders within the Claude folder here. You want to just right-click the one that's selected, the Claude Desktop Config.json, right-click that, and then go to Open With. Then you just select Notepad, which is a free app on your PC, and then go ahead and go to Always or Just Once, and then you'll see this here. You now want to select all of this code by just clicking and dragging your mouse, and then go to your keyboard and select Control-V to paste that we copied from the Roblox Studio, and then you want to go up to File, and then go to Save. That will override the original file. Go ahead and click the X button here, X out of this. Now back into Roblox Studio, X out of this, completely close out of Roblox Studio. So maybe you need to use the Command Center to do so, or you just X out of it like so. And then just open up Roblox Studio once again, and you will see that Claude is now connected. And that's it, guys. You're good to go. Claude is now connected to your Roblox Studio. If you have any questions, there will be a pinned comment down below. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.